Now this is after the snowstorm. Look how it's very white and we have mountains of snow. At least, though it's still very cold and it's snowing, but it's not now. It's not snowstorm, but this is how it is here in Peterborough, and it is very cold, by the way. See. Now I'm gonna take you at the backyard. Look at the backyard, how it is. A heap of snow, and look, guys, walking here is not easy because I just find myself sinking. See? Wow! I'm sinking. Look, and look, this is our table. The table that it's on the backyard, and it is full. Let me show you. Very full. Oh my. And I can't go more. I just can't go further than this. Look at this. Oh, look. Now, wow, it is so big. I like Canada, but during winter, oh my god, my goodness, very boring because it is very cold. At the same time, you're always indoors. My look. Wow. I'm telling you, in Africa, people, they are lucky because they don't experience that things. Okay, I see.